Budget railing options let you meet code without blowing your budget. Start with simple wood balusters as a baseline because they are widely available, easy to install, and can be cut to code height with basic tools like a circular saw and a router for a clean fit. Use pressure-treated or exterior-grade primed wood for outdoor use and seal all cut ends with paintable wood sealer to prevent moisture issues. For a low-cost metal option, choose stock metal pickets that are cut to length from local suppliers. Attach them to a treated or painted top and bottom rail with pre-drilled holes and stainless steel fasteners to avoid corrosion. Prefab aluminum rail kits provide consistent spacing and built-in code compliance in many cases and are lightweight, so they reduce labor time when retrofitting stairways or decks. Consider cable rail only in focused areas such as short deck runs where visibility is desired because cable requires precise tensioning and proper top and bottom termination to meet code for spacing and load. Avoid custom forged metal when budget is the constraint because fabrication and welding add time and cost, and stick to materials that can be adjusted on site to meet the required guardrail height, opening limitations, and load requirements. Common mistakes include using undersized fasteners or non-stainless steel hardware, which leads to loosened connections and corrosion over time, so always specify stainless steel screws or hot-dipped galvanized connectors for exterior installations. Another frequent issue is spacing that exceeds code limits because of inconsistent baluster cutting or template errors, so use a spacer jig and measure from the finished side of the rail to ensure uniform gaps. Installing cable rail without proper end fittings or a plan for tensioning results in sagging and code failure, so use rated swage fittings, a turnbuckle system, and test tension with a simple pull gauge or a calibrated spring scale to verify compliance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like selecting budget railing solutions, helping us find local contractors who are actively seeking work. Our community discussion area lets us exchange installation tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations, so both homeowners and professionals get practical help.